So we've just spent a lovely few days at Lake Wallace, which is a great little free camp.
Very nice spot.
Yeah, we jagged an awesome spot right near the water, met some lovely people, and yeah, we just kept extending our stay.
Yeah, could have probably stayed there another 3 or 4 days.
Oh,
pretty
easy. Gee, he wasn't stopping, was he? Wow. Okay. Caravan just pulled out in front of us and was like, vroom.
There's one about 70 coming out of the corner.
Whew, okay, whole life flashed before me then. Yeah, so we stayed there. We've just been to the bakery, which is just down the road. Really lovely bakery. Bread rolls are delicious. Pies were really good too. And we are heading to a pub stay today.
Yeah, near Bathurst.
Yeah, what's it called?
O'Connell Hotel.
Yes. So we're looking forward to that. I think they've got some live music and it's supposed to be pretty good. So. Don't you just love it when Apple Maps sends you down a gravel road?
Gonna create my own mapping system one day. No gravel.
Gravel and low clearance.
Yeah.
Don't even need to level this spot. Can't get that any better. So we are in Bathurst. So we just went into a place called Carcoar Dam, which we planned on staying at, but we got here and it's really windy, which there's a wind farm right next to it, so that should have been a telling sign.
Yeah.
Yeah, but also just the vibe didn't feel great, did it? I don't No.
Full of grumpy old grey nomads.
Right.
That's what they are. They're all grumpy. No one waves to you. No one's happy.
Just to clarify, we've met so many grey nomads that are wonderful too.
Yeah, but you just get pockets of them, and that was a pocket of them.
I think they've all been staying there for a long time. I don't know, it just didn't feel, it just didn't feel right. And when something doesn't feel right, you don't stay. Move on. So, no idea where we're going. Well, actually, no. We're going to the car wash that Ryan's been dreaming about for days. So, I'll probably have to take a video of that because
it's the next 2.5 hours.
And then, yeah, we're gonna head somewhere else. So we have found a camp spot for the night. It's called McQuary Woods. I think that's what it's called. It's in the woods obviously, but it's a big open space, plenty of space for everyone. And yeah, it's not too bad. Not a bad spot, hey Ryan?
Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, got no bloody trailer brakes and no lights.
So we've pulled into our next stunning free camp, which I will show you later. We're right by the river, it's gorgeous. Had a little bit of drama on the way to here today. We pulled over and some guy pulled over too and said, oh, your brake lights aren't working, and Ryan's like, huh. And then we realised the brakes in the van wasn't working, so he's working really hard trying to work out what's going on with that. And we've decided for dinner tonight we are going to make a tropical pineapple corned beef in our eco pot. Now we bought our eco pot from the Victorian Caravan Super Show a few weeks back. Pretty good. So it looks like this. This is it in the bag anyway. And it's basically a thermal cooker. And also it acts as a slow cooker as well. We haven't done corn silverside in it, but the guy who sold the eco pot to us was adamant that we had to. He said it was amazing. We've never tried a tropical pineapple corned beef, so see what happens. Okay, so it has been simmering for 30 minutes on the stove top. So now I'm going to pop it in the eco pot. A bit hot. So done. So just leave that for about 3 hours. And should have a perfectly cooked corned beef. So I'm just chilling out, sitting on the step of the caravan at our new free tent, and just had some visitors arrive. Okay, so the corned beef has been in there for, I think nearly 4 hours now. So, looks alright to me. I just need to add in the pineapple rings, which is a bit harder than I thought. So they can warm up a little bit, and then I'll pull it out and chop it up. That looks pretty good to me. Nearly there. How are we looking, Ryan?
Any more on that side?
A little bit more on the other?
Yeah. Not wrong.
So tonight's gourmet dinner is a la leftovers, consisting of succulent corned beef topped off with a ring of pineapple, mozzarella cheese, yes, and all combined within 2 slices of decadent bread.
Did you dice it up into bits? Or just put it in?
No, I just put the whole thing in. What?
Beautiful.
So it's a rainy morning. It's a rainy morning.
It is.
And we've been collecting
Lots and lots of rain.
Yeah, filling the tanks up. Oh, she'll be alright. The ducks are very happy today.